I'll be caddy, but it'll be like a witty thing. April 7th, Conroy Ross teeing off.
Very good.
I think I can beat that.
Yeah, I think you could.
Second shot, up and down, on the green, in, for par. Let's do this. And I'm on.
Are you gonna go?
Yeah, go ahead. Go ahead.
I'm worried I might hit your ball out of the way, so
no,
you might as well get it.
Give it to him. You should take it. That's good. You're out with me again. You'll be a little bit further than me.
Oh, it bounced back.
It hits
I'm
you
right by
bounce
that.
back?
Yeah, I'm right by that white.
Oh, really?
That's.
Wasn't that brilliant?
That hurts, eh?
Conroy, that went about this far. Good stroke.
That's what I wanted to do.
That was good. Nice and straight.
And that's a gimme.
Give me
Look at this.
still, yeah. Just take it, Chad. You fix airplanes? Oh, we'll have a chat.
Oh, I did what I did on the last hole. I knew I should have putted.
That's
I hit
good.
it too far. Thank you.
Good.
Yeah!
That's par.
Well, you got a stroke.
Oh, that's nice. That's turning. That's a beauty shot.
Sweet, eh?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's something I've been practicing. I just rip it like this. And I just think, draw, and I can. I think I could be a little cheeky here and just kind of tap it out. We'll see. No water.
It's a big hit though, into the water. Yeah, that's good. Four.
What?
He got all of that.
Okay, all I gotta do is just touch it on the green and then let it roll. Slow down, slow down, slow down. That was awful. I teethed it. A little chip. I don't like this rough grass here.
He doesn't like the rough grass.
I don't like it.
I don't like it.
I don't like it.
Pretty good chip. Really good chip.
Thanks.